A weekend storm is on the way, but its exact track means all or nothing for us. It will stay cold, and that sets up for a possible Christmas snowstorm. Full details coming up right now. Good Thursday afternoon to all of you. We are going to be watching a nor'easter move on up the coast over the weekend. However, the track means everything. The latest model guidance suggests what we talked about yesterday, that it will stay far enough down to our south and east that it will take the bulk of the snow away from our particular area. So it looks like a disruptive snowstorm, to say the least, as you head from, say, the Carolinas up through Baltimore, Washington, and then cutting over to Philly, the shore, and then up away from our region. So let's get right off to the models and show you what's going to be going on. By Friday night, you can see our storm is pulling close. You can see some snow already breaking out towards Baltimore and Washington. Saturday morning, here comes the storm. It's going to be, of course, bringing some heavy snow down to our south. Places like Baltimore and Washington, I'll use this example again, you could be seeing your biggest storm in several years out of this. Then by Saturday night, you can see this storm is still not really coming close enough to get us into that snow swath. By Saturday night still, you can see as we move a little bit later in time, the snow really not making it past Philadelphia much, and then that continues as you move into Sunday morning, and then the storm quickly whisks away. What are we talking about in terms of snow totals? Unfortunately, if you're a skier and you want to go to the Poconos, pretty much nothing out of this thing. In Lehigh Valley, we'll see some snow, not a lot. I'm thinking maybe a coating, an inch, possibly up to 2 as you get farther to the south in that coating to 2 range. As you head from our southeastern suburbs and toward Philadelphia, that's where you're getting that 2 to 4 inch range. And then Philadelphia, south and east toward the shore, 4 to 8 inches. And then there will be a bullseye, of course, towards Baltimore and Washington, where you will see 8 to 12 inches of snow out of this. Still have, of course, some model runs to go before this will all be set in stone, but this is what I am thinking right now. But again, if the models go back to a more northwestward solution, these numbers would have to get shifted north and west. But right now it looks like a coating to maybe as much as 2 inches in the Lehigh Valley out of this. Not a big storm by any stretch. Tonight, the forecast is pretty simple. Clear and chilly with lows in the teens. For tomorrow, sunny to partly cloudy. Another chilly day. There will be more clouds in the afternoon. Highs will be between 30 and 35. And on the 7-day forecast, Saturday, some snow for our area, much more to the south and east, 31 degrees. That snow overnight Saturday into early Sunday. The storm leaves. Monday, winter begins. It will feel like winter, 36. Tuesday, cold, 29 degrees. And then as we make our way through next Wednesday and Thursday, by Christmas Eve next Thursday, it looks like we will be seeing that chance at a Christmas snowstorm. And here's what I'm talking about for that Christmas storm. Right now, with the latest models, they are on board for snow for Christmas, maybe rain toward the coast. That's your forecast for today. Stay tuned for updates on the weekend storm.